for his infinite blessings, mercy, help and divine support. As he has ordained the believers to retaliate whenever they are wronged, we bow our heads to him in utmost humility. कर रहा था और वो सबसे मुस्तहकम तदबीर करने वाला है। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, अफवाज पाकिस्तान पाइंदाबाद। And elderly. Pakistan had vowed justice and retribution for reprehensible Indian military aggression and brutal killings of our citizens. Alhamdulillah, Pakistan armed forces have delivered the promise made to our people.